Genius Kids. Cultivating love for learning.
Chapter 6. The Verb. Knowledge acquisition. A verb is a word that is used to indicate the position or condition of the subject, to denote the action of the subject or what is possessed by the subject. Read the following sentences. Examples: 1. She had a kind and a loving heart. 2. She served the poor and the sick. 3. Mother Teresa was the founder of the Missionaries of Charity. In the above sentences, had, served and was are verbs. In sentence 1, had indicates her possession, that is a kind and loving heart. In sentence 2, the verb served indicates the action of the subject. In sentence 3, was tells the position or state of being of the subject, Mother Teresa. The subject in each of the above sentences is Mother Teresa and she. Kinds of verb. Transitive verb. Intransitive verb. Verbs of incomplete predication. 1. Transitive verb. A verb that needs an object to complete its meaning is called a transitive verb. Example: the doctor asked a question. Verb. Object. The doctor asked what? A question is the object of the verb answered. Hence, it is a transitive verb. It means the verb which requires an object to make the complete sense are called transitive verb. 2. Intransitive verb. A verb that does not require an object to complete its meaning is called intransitive verb. Example: they play well. In this sentence, we don't ask the questions. They play what? Such sentences which don't require an object to make the sense complete are called intransitive verb. 3. Verbs of incomplete predications. Verbs which need the help of some words or a group of words to compute their meaning are called verbs of incomplete predication. Examples: 1. The moon shone brightly. 2. The day was hot. The word brightly and hot are required to complete the meaning of the verbs shone and was. Such a word or group of words is called the incomplete predication of verb. Auxiliary or helping verb. An auxiliary verb is a helping verb. Auxiliary verbs are 24 in number. Auxiliary verb. Primary auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries. To be, to have, to do. She, will, should, would, can, could, may, might, must, ought, to, need, dare, used to. Use of primary auxiliaries. Auxiliary verbs. Form tenses and the voices. Form negative and questions. May stand alone or used with main verb. Help the main verb to convey the different times of action. Change form according to the number and person of the subject. Remember, auxiliary verb to be may be used as is, are, am, was, were. Auxiliary verb to have may be used as had, have, will have and shall have. Auxiliary verb to do may be used as did or does. Main or principal verbs. Words like sing, drink, weep, speak and so on are main verbs. We add d, ed or ing at the end of such verbs to form new verbs. The base form of the verbs or the principal verb may be changed according to other words in the sentence. Examples: speak, spoke, break, broken, play, played, drink, drinking. Sometimes, we change the base form of the verb also. Strong and weak verbs. Verbs are divided into two classes: weak verbs, strong verbs. Weak verbs form their past tense by adding ed or do, t to the present tense. Examples: talk, talked, send, sent. Strong verbs form their past tense by merely changing the inside vowel s of their present tense. Examples: awake, awoke, fall, fell. List of weak verbs: present tense, past participle: bark, barked, barked, build, built, built, creep, crept, crept, dream, dreamt, dreamed, dreamt, dreamed. Die, died, died, dive, dived, dived, feed, fed, fed, harm, harmed, harmed, hear, heard, heard, keep, kept, kept, learn, learned, learnt, learned, learned, leave, left, left, leap, leapt, leapt, lose, lost, lost, make, made, made, manage, managed, managed, open, opened, opened, prove, proved, proved, sleep, slept, slept, tie, tied, tied. Weep, wept, wept. List of strong verbs: present tense, past participle. Arise, arose, arisen. Bid, bade, bidden. Bind, bound, bound. Break, broke, broken. Choose, chose, chosen. Draw, drew, drawing. Drive, drove, driven. Do, did, done. Eat, ate, eaten. Fly, flew, flown. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Go, went, gone. Give, gave, given. Hide, hid, hidden. Know, knew, known. Lie, lay, laid. Ring, rang, rung. Run, ran, run. See, saw, seen. Sing, sang, sung. Take, took, taken. Tear, toe, tone. Wake, woke, waken. Write, wrote, written. Remember, the inside vowels of some verbs are changed to form the past tense. But apart from this, they also need a final D or T which are not there in present tense. Such verbs are also called weak verbs. Examples: present tense, past tense: buy, bought, catch, caught, sell, sold.
Like, share and subscribe.